Hello everyone, welcome to Tilottama Handlooms YouTube channel. I am Chaitali. Today I am going to show you our new collections of cotton sarees, and these sarees are block printed cotton, handloom cotton and with blouse pieces, and all the sarees priced at 1550. If you like the sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. And we are doing wholesale also, so if you like to purchase wholesale basis, then you can contact the same number 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, like our videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notifications. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is our first saree. It's cotton handloom saree, and we are doing block printed on this cotton. This is grey with dark red color combination cotton. It's very beautiful cotton saree and lightweight also. It's handloom cotton, full hand woven sarees, and we are doing block printed all over the saree in the middle part of the saree. This is the grey colored body, and with black block print on this saree. All over the saree has going to the same pattern, and it has the broad borders. Both sides have the broad borders. See, this is the saree look, and as the saree is running, saree is 5.5 meters. So in this saree we are giving a contrast blouse piece. So this is the contrast blouse piece with this saree, and I am giving you the close look of the block print, so you can check the block prints also. This is the folk motifs, okay, all over the saree. All over the saree going through like this, and this block printed blouse piece we are giving with this saree. And with this blouse piece, the saree price is 1750. This is our first saree. This is another block printed cotton saree, handloom cotton khadi. This is a khadi cotton saree actually, and this saree has 4 lines borders. See, this is the 4 line borders, and we are doing the block prints on it. See how the beautiful saree look. This is the panel work design we are doing, and the saree color is off white, little creamish white, this color, base color, and all over the saree going through like this same way. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. See, this is the pallu, and blouse piece is running. This is the yellow colored contrast running blouse piece. I can show you the blouse again. This is the border part of the blouse, and this is yellow colored blouse piece, okay. And this is the saree look. This saree, it's not half and half saree. This is full saree the same way, going through like same way. The pleats are like this. Pleats are also in white. So after draping, it's look like this. Okay, after draping, it's look like this. So this is the saree look. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. This is another khadi cotton, handloom khadi cotton. All the sarees are, today I am showing all the sarees are hand woven saree. This is khadi cotton saree, and we are doing the block print on it. This is block printed khadi cotton saree, 4 lines border. Both sides have the same border, and all over the body like leaf motif, doing block print on it. This is the full saree look. The saree, all the saree colors is this saree color also in pastel shade. This is a light green. It's olive green, okay. And all over the saree going through like this same way. This is the pallu. It's gicha weaving pallu. See, this is the pattern you see. This is the gicha weaving pallu. Show you the close look, and then we are doing the block print on it. Very exclusive saree, and orange colored blouse. This is the 4 line border, and the base color is orange, okay. This is the saree, okay. So after draping, it's look like this. This saree price is also 1850. This is another saree, block printed khadi cotton saree. The lower side border is it's broad border, and block print on the middle part of the border, very beautiful. And upper part of the border is a small thinner border. The same color combination used in the both side border, but lower side border is little bit broad border, and upper side border is a small thin border. And all over the saree going through like this panel work design, block printed, and this saree price is also 1850. This is the pallu. see, this is the pallu and gicha weaving pallu. This is what you are see right now. This is the gicha weaving pallu, and show you the blouse piece also. This is blue colored blouse. Base color is blue, and the borders are look like this, 4 lines border. So this is the saree look. If you like to purchase this saree, please take a screenshot. This is another khadi cotton saree. This is white with the yellow color combination. Very lightweight saree, summer friendly, and we are doing block print on the lower part of the saree and the borders. See, both side border. One side border is white and one side border is yellow. So this is after draping, it's look like this. It's half of motif, half of pattern. This is half of pattern, very smart one, and color combination is very catchy combination. This is white with yellow color combination, and block prints also very beautiful. This is the pallu, zigzag pallu. See the close look of the pallu. This is the pallu block print. Full pallu look like this, and this is the body portion, and this is the blouse. This is the yellow colored running blouse piece. This saree price is also 1750. You can also log on to our website, that is www.tilotamahandloom.com, and you get all these cotton sarees in cotton segment there. So all the sarees are uploaded in our website also. So you can directly purchase from our website. Otherwise, you can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us, and you know our WhatsApp number that is on the screen, 7890721706. This is the saree look. This is our next saree, another khadi cotton saree, and this is all the sarees are handloom cotton. I am telling you again, all these sarees today I am showing are handloom cotton sarees, and we are doing block print on it. So this is our own production. This is a block print. This is a half and half pattern saree, and this is after draping, it's look like this. Upper part of the saree is in white and lower part of the saree is in grey, and in the grey part we are doing the block print. See the close look of the block print design, very smart one, and the lines you are seeing in this border, that is also in block print. Okay, so after draping, it's look like this, very smart one. This is the pallu, it's pallu, and this is the black blouse with white lines on it. Okay, this is the saree pattern. This saree price is also 1750. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. This is another color combination of the same saree. It's half and half pattern. The upper half of the saree is green and lower half of the saree is this greenish grey, and we are doing block print on this pattern. See the block print on the lower half of the saree. This is the lower half of the saree, and this is the after draping, it's look like this. If you want to plait it, then it's come like this. After pleats, it's look like this, and this is the pink pallu, pink with green combination pallu, and in the middle part of this pallu, we are doing the same block print on it. And we are finishing all the sarees. We are finishing all the sarees end with these pom-poms designs, and this is the blouse piece. This is the running blouse piece in pink in contrast. So it's very beautiful combination and very lightweight and without starch finish. All these sarees. This saree price is also 1750, and we are doing free shipping all over India. This is another saree. This is orange with pink color combination. Color combination is very bright and eye-catchy, and upper half of the saree is it's mixed tone of pink and orange, and lower half of the saree is in orange, and we are doing block print on it. Very beautiful block. See the block print design, it's very beautiful, and the border is in pink, and we are doing block print on the borders too. So this is the saree look. If you like to wear like pleats, it's look like this, and in the middle part of the saree, this is the separation, is very beautiful. This is small temples. See, this is a small temples in the middle part of the saree where the color is divided. So after draping, it's look like this. It's very beautiful one, and full saree going through like the same way. It's pallu. See the pallu. See, this is the pallu design. Okay, this is the pallu design, and all the sarees finished with the pom-poms. These are the pom-poms in the pallu portion, and this is the blouse piece. This is the pink colored contrast blouse piece. So this is the saree look. It's beautiful saree, and the saree price is 1750. This is another saree, and this is the green with the black color combination. Very soothing color combination, green with black. And in the lower part of the saree, we are doing the same block print on it, beautiful block print. And this is the pallu, middle part of the pallu in green area, we are doing the block print, and the finish it up with the pom-poms. And this is the blouse piece, black blouse piece with a contrast green color. So this is the saree look, and this saree price is also 1750. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot. This is the last saree of this episode, and the saree color is this is the last saree which we are showing right now. This is orange with the black colored combination. Sorry, this is the last saree of this episode, and this is color combination is also very bright. It's dark orange with a dark maroon color combination on it. Actually, the saree is weaving in the lower part orange with black, so it's a dual tone of blackish orange, actually not exactly maroon color. This pattern is dark orange, it's rust, dark rust, and we are doing this block print on this part. So upper half of the saree it's plain, and the lower half of the saree is look like this. After you pleat it, then it's come up like this. This is a all over the saree going through like the same way. And this is the pallu portion of the saree. It's pallu, middle part of the pallu, we are doing the same block print on it, and the in the pallu is finish it up with the pom-pom, and this is the blouse piece. This is the black blouse piece with the orange border on it. So this is the last saree of this episode, and the saree price is the same, 1750. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot. Thank you so much watching our video till end. If you like our saree and like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notifications. And do comment us, and do let us know whatever you like to see. And we are doing wholesale also, so if you like to take the wholesale basis, then you can contact the same number 7890721706. I will come up with our next video very soon. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.